But even change in mindset takes some time to go to totality. Those who are against the nation, people will stop them. Mindset कितना change होता है? Surgical strike is not an easy decision. Some news media was asking me, what is my high point in my life? I said surgical strike, because आपने म्यांमार का उल्लेख किया. उस समय ऑफिशियली कुछ डिक्लेयर नहीं हुआ है. Insurgents were taken care, 60, 70, 80 people, militants were killed. But that decision was not announced. Of course, media came to know about it and it became a public news. That is a different. But I still remember, हमारे राठौड़ जी मीडिया पे गए थे आंसर करने, और उनको किसी ने सवाल किया, अगर ये वेस्टर्न बाउंड्री पे होता तो आप क्या करते? I still remember. As a defense minister, it pained me when this question was asked. Next day I conducted a meeting and told army to be prepared on the western boundary. सर्जिकल स्ट्राईक जे जावपाक शकले ताजे कारण आर्मीचे पराक्रम आसाच. आर्मीन एक वर्सभर तयारी केली ही आसाच, पण म्हाका दिसता पॉलिटिकल लिडरशीप ऑल्सो हॅड अ डिफरंट मायंडसेट जनरेटेड, and that is a strength of this government, and that has come from one leader, the Prime Minister. He single-handedly has changed the mindset. I think this mindset change has to travel further, and people only will answer your question, because it will be people who will tell those who are working against the nation to either stop it or quit. आणि म्हणून ह्या सरकाराचे अनेक यश हा, आणि ह्या यशाची उदाहरणां दितलो जाल्यार कमी जावची ना. उदाहरणां खूब आहा. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर पासून सोशल स्ट्रक्चर पर्यंत. म्हणजे एके वटेन इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर करता आसतना दुसरे वटेन सोशल स्ट्रक्चर ते करता आसतना देशाची सेक्युरिटी. ह्या गव्हर्मेंट तुका आर्मीन कितें केलें हाजी जर तो लिस्ट काडपाक गेलो जाल्यार ल्हान जावची ना. एक्स सर्विसमॅनचे OROP पासून ECHS म्हणजे हेल्थ इन्शुरन्स स्कीम हाजी व्याप्ती ह्या सरकारान प्रचंड वाडयली. ऑर्डनन्स फॅक्टरी आनी डिफेन्स PSUचे उत्पादन 2 वर्सांत 25-26% वाडले. नवीन पॉलिसी आयली, ह्या देशान मेक इन इंडियाचे प्रोजेक्ट एप्रूव जाले, आनी आतां अनेक गोष्टीचेर एक बातम्यो येत आसा. एक वेगळ्या प्रकारचो सेक्युरिटी एनवायरमेंट देशान हे सरकार हाडूंक शकले. जो ताणें उल्लेख केलो 2 लाखा वयर कोटी रुपयांची कॉन्ट्रॅक्टां, 2 लाख कोटी न्हय, म्हाका दिसता जो आतां 2,70,000 कोटी पर्यंत कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट्स डिफेन्साची सायन जाली. 13चो कंट्रोलर ऑडिटरचो जो रिपोर्ट आयिल्लो तातूंत भितर 118 एम्युनेशन हाजी स्टॉक 10 दिसां पेक्षा सकयल आयलो. दीस इज अ पब्लीक नॉलेज, सो आय कॅन से इट. 117 ammunition, critical ammunition. The stock had depleted below 10 days level. 10 days is considered as critical. I am proud to say when this government came into picture, the number of such items have come down below 21 from 117, and today probably adequate stock of arms and ammunition are there with the armed forces. So whether it is social sector, whether it is defense sector, security of the nation, infrastructure, everywhere this government has performed par excellence. 3 वर्सां ही राष्ट्राच्या इतिहासात किंवा दृश्टीन व्हडलीशी म्हत्वाची न्हय. जशी आमची हजारांनी वर्सां ब्रह्मदेवाचो एक दीस म्हणटा आमी, तशें राष्ट्राच्या इतिहासात 3 वर्सां म्हणजे काही 1-2 वरां आमच्या दृश्टीन. ह्या सरकारान 3 वर्सांत सुपरमॅनचें काम केल्लें. त्यामुळे ह्या सगळ्या गजालीचो रेटो घेता आसतना जर सगळ्यांक एक सिंगुलर चेंज ह्या सरकारान घडोवन हाडल्या जाल्यार तो म्हज्या हिशोबान लोकांच्या विचार करण्याच्या पद्दतीन. पयल्या खेपा पॉलिटिकल सिस्टमीन म्हाका दिसता 3 वर्सां पयलीं हो प्रश्न तुमी विचारचे नासले. 3 वर्सां पयलीं म्हणटा कितें विचारून फायदो. What is the use of asking this question? All politicians are like that only. Today you are demanding answer for this question. I am happy because that indicates that the government is responsive and you expect something from the government. And obviously you have to reciprocate. But things don't change overnight. They change over a period of time. Have you seen the TV debates in last 2 years? The change which is taking place. Earlier they had to get in people from Pakistan to be bashed, and few people from ex-army to bash them. Now everyone who is on now the number has grown to some 12 or 14, I don't know. Now the size has also become small. But everyone pounces on those who speak against the national interest. If you see that change, I think that is a change. That is an attitudinal change with this government. The change is happening in people. The catalyst is Prime Minister. In 3 years, he has catalyzed and brought about a mentality, a mental state of mind which can actually give a push to the country. I think that is the biggest achievement of these 3 years, and with this I thank you once again for having patiently come on this eve of a Sunday for hearing us. Thank you very much.